Physics is the scientific discipline that studies the fundamental principles governing the behavior of matter and energy in the universe. It encompasses a wide range of phenomena, from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest cosmic structures, and seeks to understand the underlying laws and principles that govern the natural world. Here's how physics analyzes forces and motion in the universe. Mechanics. Physics analyzes forces and motion through the branch of mechanics, which studies the behavior of objects in motion and at rest. Classical mechanics, developed by Isaac Newton, describes the relationships between forces, mass, and acceleration, as outlined in Newton's laws of motion. Mechanics also explores concepts such as velocity, acceleration, momentum, energy, and rotational motion. Kinematics. Physics studies the motion of objects without considering the forces that cause them to move through the field of kinematics. Kinematics describes the motion of objects in terms of position, velocity, and acceleration, using mathematical equations and graphical representations to analyze motion and predict future positions. Dynamics. Physics examines the forces that cause objects to move and the resulting changes in motion through the field of dynamics. Dynamics considers the effects of forces such as gravity, friction, tension, and electromagnetic interactions on the motion of objects, explaining how forces influence acceleration, velocity, and trajectory. Gravitation. Physics investigates the force of gravity, which governs the attraction between objects with mass. Newton's law of universal gravitation describes the gravitational force between two objects as proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Gravitation explains phenomena such as orbital motion, planetary motion, and the formation of celestial bodies. Electromagnetism. Physics studies the interaction between electric charges and magnetic fields through the field of electromagnetism. Maxwell's equations describe how electric and magnetic fields interact and propagate through space, explaining phenomena such as electromagnetic waves, electric currents, and magnetic forces. Thermodynamics. Physics analyzes the relationships between heat, energy, and work through the field of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics describes how energy flows and transforms between different forms, such as thermal energy, mechanical work, and chemical energy. Laws of thermodynamics govern processes such as heat transfer, entropy, and the efficiency of energy conversion. Relativity. Physics explores the behavior of objects in extreme conditions and at high speeds through the theory of relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity describes the relationships between space and time for observers in relative motion, while general relativity extends these principles to include gravity and the curvature of spacetime. Quantum mechanics. Physics investigates the behavior of particles at the smallest scales through the field of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics describes the behavior of subatomic particles such as electrons, photons, and quarks, explaining phenomena such as wave-particle duality, uncertainty principle, and quantum entanglement. Overall, physics provides a systematic framework for understanding the forces and motion of objects in the universe, from the microscopic realm of subatomic particles to the macroscopic scale of celestial bodies. By analyzing the fundamental principles governing the behavior of matter and energy, physics contributes to scientific discoveries, technological advancements, and our understanding of the natural world.